Hey everyone, this is Kevin Anderson with Healthmark Industries, a getting a company. This is another quick tips video for the sterile processing department. This one's going to have to do with barcode labeling of surgical instrument trays. I've seen some content recently on sterile or on social media regarding this, so hopefully it will be a very timely topic for you. Now, most of you are familiar with instrument tracking labels and systems. This is typically what you see for an instrument tracking barcode label for an instrument tray. This is exactly what I put on my tray years ago when we were starting our instrument tracking system. And this is how I was advised to label our trays. However, if you've had any experience with this, you know that over time, even though these labels are meant to withstand sterilization, they still don't hold up to the entire process over time, and they start to look like this. All right. This becomes a potential issue because it's very difficult and time consuming to replace these stickers. I remember spending at least a half an hour trying to do it and realizing, hey, this is going nowhere. I'm going to have to start over new. And trying to replace trays is a very expensive proposition just for a barcode label. So what I typically see people do is they'll just get a new label and they'll place it over the top of the old bad label. And eventually you have a layering effect and a bunch of labels that all end up damaged in the end anyway. And then uh, the sticky or adhesive residue starts to build up, and you start to question whether or not the cleaning and sterilization are going to be very effective. And not only that, you're probably going to run into debris falling in the trays from these stickers and the OR possibly rejecting your trays. So that's a lot of work to go through only to have your tray rejected. Another potential issue is accreditation. Surveyors may see this and question it as well and consider it some sort of threat to the infection control practices. So that would be a pretty bad situation too. But unfortunately, surveyors are no longer strangers to um, tape that's in disrepair or labeling that's in disrepair. All you have to do is remember and think back to surgical instrument marking tape. They like to cite that one a lot, and I'm guessing this one will be on their list going forward. So I wanted to present a very simple and cost-effective solution that I have seen in practice that I would like to share with everybody, and that's this. All right, you just take a simple plastic tag that is sterilizable, connect it to your tray, and put your permanent or semi-permanent barcode label right on that tag. All right, so now if you have any damaged labels, you can easily take the tag off and replace it and stop wasting time trying to get rid of old beat up labels. All right. A secondary benefit to this system is if you wanted to color code your your instrument trays, you could do that. So if you wanted yellow to be general surgery, blue to be ortho, red to be cardiovascular, and so on, you could do that with this system. And then at a glance, you could see from across the room trays that belong to a specific service line. So there may be other systems that would work as well, maybe RFID, maybe laser etching, that kind of stuff. Those are all possibilities, but this is probably the easiest to implement and the most cost effective, and therefore that's why I wanted to share it. So just in summary, what can we do about this problem? Well, we can utilize tags that can easily be connected and or removed from trays so that when damage does appear, we don't have to waste time trying to replace or remove that label. We can remove and replace as needed, and we can allocate time each week to replace these damaged stickers. One way that you might do that is to assign this to a specific person. Nobody's going to want to do this, so it might help to actually assign it, just like you would to pull case cards or do decontam. You can set aside trays that need relabeling and have that as part of an assignment. That's just one option. Another option that I didn't put on the screen there for you to ask your instrument repair vendor. Perhaps they have ways and methods of removing old beat up barcode labels that will take a lot less time I know that they've been good about this in the past with instrument marking tape. So it doesn't hurt to ask them and see if they can do that with your barcode labels. Hopefully this video you'll find is helpful. And if so, please remember to subscribe to the channel, share these videos as they may help others. And thank you for watching.